Hey guys, it is a beautiful October morning here. I am just giving an intro quick to my newest video that I'm going to put out. This is from my trip to New Mexico. I want to give a shout out to Max Catch for sponsoring my gear on this trip. I was using a Premier combo, and I hope you enjoy it. It's out there on the Red River, so hit like, hit subscribe, and enjoy. Just hooked into one here on the Red River. Let's see. I have no idea what it is. Doing a dry fly dropper. Seems like a good fish. Fighting, at least the current is. I don't know what we got until we land it here. Let's see. Looks like, oh, come here. It's tangled up in the line a little bit. Looks like a brown. First brown of the trip. Let's see if we can get him over here. He's all tangled up. Let's see. We've got him here. All right. Our first New Mexico brown trout. Yeah, baby. New Mexico brown. There we go. That's what we come here for. There he goes. He's got to a nice haul. We're going to give it a try. Like I said, we're not going to be here much longer, so. Got the tight quarters. Try to get a little bit closer. Normally I don't like to go upstream like this, but I don't think we got much choice in this category. All right, we got another one. Not sure what this is. Probably another brown. Gotta love it. Oh, yeah, baby. Side pressure, side pressure. Get them out of the heavy current. Trees. Man, what a fish. What fun. See how they're fighting? This is what it's about, guys. This is a rainbow. Woo! Gorgeous rainbow. There we go. So that is our big rainbow trip. Just gotta love it. Fishing here in New Mexico. It's been an amazing trip. This is the last day and I am just loving it. Woo! So today we're fishing the Red River Gorge. I've just landed a couple of brown trout. As you can see, it is just a beautiful little spot. So probably gonna call it a day here pretty quick. We'll see if we catch another one or not, but we've had a great trip. This is it for New Mexico, and until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.